your question is fx is equal to k minus 2x for x belongs to R. Gx is equal to 2 by x. X is not equal to 0 for x belongs to R. Find the value of k for which the equation f gx is equal to x has two equal roots. Now understand this. What they have given? First they have given fx. This is your fx, that is equal to k minus 2x. And what they have given? Gx. Gx, that is equal to 2 by x. And one more thing they have given. What they have given? See this? fgx. That is equal to x. Now, what we have to do? You can see here, this is the main function now. So we are substituting gx value in f. Gx value in f. That means gx is this value. You have to substitute wherever x is there. That means here. What we will get? We will get k minus 2 into 2 by x. This value. That is equal to x. If you solve this, what you will get? So here if you solve this, you will get k minus 4 by x is equal to x. Take the LCM this side. So what it will be? LCM is x. So here you will get kx and here minus 4. That is equal to x. Now cross multiply. So if you cross multiply, x into x is x square. That is equal to kx minus 4. Bring everything to your left side. It will be x square minus kx plus 4. That gives you 0. They have given this. So we got this equation now. Now we have to find out the value of k. For that, what they have given? See that. They have given as 2 equal roots. 2 equal roots. That means if you put the standard form of quadratic equation, what is that? That is your ax square plus bx plus c, that gives you 0. Now, a is equal to, we can say it's 1. B is nothing but minus k and c is 4. If it is contains 2 equal roots, that means the discriminant is 0. Discriminant is 0. So what is the discriminant? Discriminant is nothing but b square minus 4ac, as we have learned in quadratic formula. B square minus 4ac, that is equal to 0 now. Substitute these 3 value here. So b square, that means minus k square is nothing but k square. K square and here minus 4 into a. A is 1 into c. C is 4. So here that is equal to 0. Now you will get k square minus 16, that is equal to 0. Bring this to right side. You will get k square is equal to 16. So what is your k? So we can say k is nothing but what? Root over 16. So what is your root over 16? That is your plus and minus 4. So here you will get k is equal to plus and minus 4. So you have got the value of k, that is plus n minus 4.